In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Template Builder in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Klaviyo and how to embed your font so it displays consistently across your emails. First, open Klaviyo and head to your dashboard. From here, look for the Content tab in the main navigation. This is where Klaviyo stores your assets, templates, and brand styling, so it's the right place to set up a template that uses your custom font. Next, go into Templates. This view shows all your existing designs. To start fresh, click Create. Klaviyo will ask you to choose a channel. Since we're adding a font to an email template, select Email. You'll be prompted to give your template a name. Choose something descriptive so your team can easily find it later. For example, include the font or campaign name. Then click Create to open the template editor. Inside the editor, we'll use an HTML block to load the custom font. In the Elements panel, find the HTML block and drag it onto your canvas. This block lets you add the code that imports the font and applies it to your content. With the HTML block selected, open the display settings. These options control how and where the block appears. If you want the font code to apply across the email without taking up visual space, ensure the block isn't adding extra padding or unintended spacing. You can also use visibility controls to keep it present in both desktop and mobile layouts, which helps ensure the font is available wherever the email is viewed. Now switch to the content settings for that HTML block. This is where you'll paste your font code. Typically, you'll either include a link tag to a hosted font, such as a web font service, or use a style tag with an @font_face declaration that points to your font files over a secure URL. Right under that, define simple CSS to set your font family and add a sensible fallback stack. For example, you might apply the font to the body, headings, or specific classes you plan to use in your template. Keep the CSS minimal and well organized so it's easy to maintain. A few quick tips as you paste your code. Make sure your font files are hosted over HTTPS, include WAF or WAF2 formats for better email client support, and always specify fallback fonts to maintain legibility where web fonts aren't supported. Remember that some email clients limit custom fonts, so your fallback stack is essential for a consistent look. That's it. You've navigated to templates, created a new email template, added an HTML block, adjusted display, and pasted your font code and content so your custom fonts can load in the template.